Let's start with a real story. Back in 2022, Joseph wanted to start in fuel trading. He didn't have savings, didn't own a warehouse, and had little more than a laptop. But Joseph learned the ropes as a freelance agent, reaching out to refineries and international buyers as a broker. He wondered, how much do I really need to begin? The answer surprised him. Most brokers and agents don't need to invest big money to start dealing in fuels. Instead, your capital is your time, your contracts, and your knowledge. Joseph started making deals, earning commissions on every shipment he helped close without ever buying a single barrel himself. Hi there, I am Rizwan Khazi, and in this video, I am breaking down how much capital investment beginners actually need to start in fuel trading as an agent, broker, or freelancer. Stick till the end for step-by-step strategies, and remember, if you want all the insider procedures, click the training course link in the description. What brokers really need to start, not what you think. Now let's talk reality. For classic fuel trading businesses involving refinery ownership, storage tanks, or direct product buying, you need anywhere from $50,000 to millions in capital. But as a broker, agent, or freelancer, you don't have to invest in the product. Your job is deal making. Most agents start with almost zero investment, just a mobile phone, internet, some business cards, and a few $100s for registering a sole proprietorship or getting any necessary license. Many start freelance without even a registered business, then upgrade once deals roll in. You may need around $200 to $500 for getting basic certifications, building a simple website, and making calls to industry players. The challenge is building trust first. No bank loan needed, but every introduction and every document must be professional. Therefore, make sure you learn contract basics, use free digital tools for communication, and keep all your documentations organized. You need hustle, not cash. Now, coming to licensing, registration, and simple startup cost. But that wasn't the only issue new agents face. You might need a broker license depending on your country and region, usually costing between $100 and $300 with some paperwork. Register your business name or work as a freelancer until you land your first deal. All in launching as a broker in 2025 costs less than most people spend on a smartphone. The challenge, knowing the rules. Some places require registration before you can legally collect commissions. Therefore, research local licensing rules, register your business name, and keep your paperwork right from the start. Many agents start out as a freelancer, then formalize their business after their first few deals. Building your network and no investment start. Now, let's move on to another angle. Winning as a broker or agent isn't about money, it's about building fast relationships. Use LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and email to connect with refineries, trading companies, importers. Offer your services. Attending local business networking events can be a high ROI move and sometimes cost less than $50. Remember, you don't pay for fuel, shipping, or insurance. Your reward is the commission after the deal closes. The real challenge is sticking it out, staying patient, and learning every week. Most successful beginners in the last 3 years started with under $500 and scaled up using pure network. Now here are your instructions for success. Craft a sharp pitch, gather a small list of leads, and use free online tools to manage deals. As buyers and sellers trust you, your commissions grow and you can eventually reinvest your earnings into branding, licensing, and attending industry events. So now you see, starting a fuel trading business as an agent or a broker doesn't require big investment. Your capital is your network, professionalism, and willingness to learn. No need for huge money to break through. Master the process, connect with the right people, and your own success story is only a deal away. But remember, in my full oil and gas export course, you'll learn every insider step, getting mandates, mastering contracts, handling logistics, and more. Therefore, don't wait. Click the link in the description and launch your fuel trading journey today. See you inside my full course. Thank you.